Hi, welcome to Fl-Draw Tutorials. I'm Ritesh. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring Fl-Draw Toolbars. Now, as you can see, I have Fl-Draw application open on my screen. I also have one of the flows open. It says my first flow. So what is Fl-Draw Toolbars? Fl-Draw Toolbar is comprised of smaller toolbars. It allows you to interact with your application, and it also offers you additional functionality. The very first toolbar lets you create a new document, open an existing document, save the diagram that's on the canvas, or simply print the diagram. The next toolbar allows you to export your diagram into various formats. JSON, a simple text format. You can export your entire diagram as a text. PDF, you click on PDF and your entire canvas will be converted into a PDF view. Or PNG. Simply click on PNG and your entire diagram comes up as a PNG file. Right beside that toolbar is the basic shapes toolbar. I can click on these buttons and it will drop basic shapes quickly onto my canvas. Right next to it is the formatting toolbar. It allows me to create different labels. Now I can also apply bold to the label or change the fonts or change the font size. Right next to it is the connections toolbar. Now let's turn off the connections. As you can see, initially the shapes had connection ports. Now I'll drop another shape and this shape does not have any connections. You can use this toolbar to place the connections wherever you wish. Simply, I just want a left connection. Created a connection and that's it. On the very last toolbar is our connection endpoint toolbar. For example, this particular connection, or simply all connections, have arrow ending, endpoint. So I'll click on one of the connections, click on diamond, and as you can see, the arrow is converted into a diamond or a dot or an arrow again or a bar. Now at the bottom of the screen you will see another toolbar. It allows you to create a grid in the background so you can position your shapes quite accurately. The grid is available now. Now you can see I can move my shape but they are not snapping to the grid. So I'll click on snap to grid and now I can move the shapes quite precisely. The next two buttons are for zooming in and zooming out. Click on zoom in and I can zoom into my diagram or zoom out. And the last button clears your flow. I can simply remove everything that is on my canvas. Voila, it's gone. The very last button we'll see is the open. Click on open. It asks me that do you wish to save? I say no. So now I have open dialog. In the open flow dialog I have two documents. We are already on my first flow. So let me create learn Fl-Draw process flow. Click open. And there you go. I have a new flow open. The title is changed, learn Fl-Draw process flow. So what is this process flow? It says start, learn Fl-Draw. To learn Fl-Draw, watch some tutorials. Did you finish watching the tutorials? If you say no, go back and watch the tutorials. If you watched all the tutorials, then say yes, and you are an Fl-Draw expert now. With this, I'll conclude this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. See you again. Thank you for watching.